Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for detailed product insights and real-world performance reviews. Today, we're diving into what I consider the best hammer drill for concrete heavy-duty applications, the DEWALT SDS Rotary Hammer Drill, model D25263K. When you first hold this tool, you immediately get a sense of DEWALT's craftsmanship. Built with precision and durability, this corded rotary hammer is designed to tackle the toughest drilling and chiseling jobs on concrete, masonry, and stone. Whether you're a professional contractor or a serious DIY enthusiast, this drill brings serious power and control to your work. Let's start with what drives this machine. The D25263K packs an 8.5 amp high-performance motor that delivers 3.0 joules of impact energy. That means faster drilling, smoother chipping, and reliable performance even in the most demanding conditions. It's not just about brute force either. DEWALT engineered this model to balance speed and torque beautifully, giving you consistent power without unnecessary strain on the bit or motor. One of the standout features is its active vibration control system. DEWALT calls it shocks technology, and it does an excellent job of reducing the vibration felt at the handles. If you've ever worked with heavy-duty hammer drills, you know how tiring they can be after just a few holes. This system cuts down that fatigue significantly, letting you work longer with better precision and comfort. The drill also includes an integral clutch that protects you when the bit jams unexpectedly. Instead of the drill wrenching your wrist or elbow, the clutch smoothly disengages, keeping you safe and maintaining control. It's a small feature that makes a big difference, especially during long drilling sessions. Another clever addition is the rotating brush ring, which ensures you get full power and torque whether you're drilling forward or in reverse. This adds efficiency when clearing out holes or backing out stuck bits. And like most DEWALT tools, it's designed to work seamlessly with accessories, in this case, the D25301D dust extraction system. That's a huge plus for anyone who wants to keep the workspace clean and safe from concrete dust. Performance-wise, this tool operates at a maximum speed of 1150 RPM with 115 volts of power, which is standard for heavy-duty corded tools. While it's rated for 115 volts, if you're outside the US, you might need a converter, so keep that in mind before ordering. In terms of build quality, it's everything you'd expect from DEWALT: solid, well-balanced, and rugged. The ergonomic D-handle design gives you steady control, especially when drilling overhead or into vertical surfaces. It feels substantial in hand, but not so heavy that it slows you down. DEWALT also backs this hammer drill with a 2-year free service plan, showing confidence in the tool's longevity and reliability. That kind of support is something professionals really appreciate when investing in a workhorse like this. To sum it up, the DEWALT SDS Rotary Hammer Drill D25263K combines raw power, thoughtful design, and user protection in one professional-grade package. It's reliable, tough, and made for serious work. That's why we at Product Critique are calling it the best hammer drill for concrete heavy-duty tasks. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more hands-on product reviews. And let us know in the comments what heavy-duty tools you want us to test next. See you in the next video.